Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Cheryl Technology Channel. My name is Chris. I'm your host again. Bienvenidos, everybody. And in this one, we are going to be looking at Road to CCNA Part 2, Installation of Packet Tracer. And as you can see on the screen, we are running Zorin OS, which is a Linux distribution based off the Debian family. And this is what we're going to do today. We're going to be installing Packet Tracer from a deb package. Now, I tried it on Ubuntu, two different instances in VMs. It gave me an error and said it couldn't be installed because of the dependencies, because they couldn't be installed. So I said, crap with it. We're just going to run it on a desktop. So that's what I did. I just took my desktop. We're doing dual boot. And today we're running Zorin OS. If you don't know the Lord Jesus Christ, reach out to me in the comments. If you need prayer for something, let me know that too. And everybody, I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get into it. What we're going to do is I actually have the deb and the Windows executable files of Packet Tracer. You have to go through a little tutorial first before you can actually download them. So you can go to netacademy.com or Cisco Net Academy, whichever you so desire. Type one of those in and it will lead you into the right direction, and just put Packet Tracer on the end of it and you will get there. So in this one, let's just get right into it. So here's what we're going to do. We're just going to double click it. It's going to give you this warning saying, hey, it's not trusted. Well, that's because it's not coming from the official App Store. That's why. So we're just going to click Run Anyway, and it's going to open the software store to do this, not the App Store, software store. Sorry about that, y'all. So let's wait till this loads, and once this loads, we're going to, come on, there we go. So then we're going to do, you notice how it says 0 bytes here? But if you click install and then enter your password, you'll be able to get to it here in just a second. And it's actually the full-fledged version. It's pretty sweet, actually. Look, y'all, I decided to do this. Shout out to my man, Alberto and Diego. Diego, bro, I hope you get your CCNA, bro. I'm cheering you on. That's for sure. And thank you for the encouragement, Alberto. And so I think this is what we're going to do. We're going to just do it on Zorin OS. And because I have like Google, I can use Google to do a lot of the note-taking stuff. And I'm going to be using, I'll show you here in just a minute as soon as we find this. So let's do Packet Tracer. There it is. And once you open this up, it's going to ask you to sign in. Now, I have a Networking Academy account, so I will use that to sign in. And I will do that later. But in this one, that's not what we're going to do. We just installed it. And then I'm going to show you, seeing if you don't sign in, it'll shut it down. And what I'm also going to show you is Udemy. So the course that I have is by David Bumble. So you can see right here, 7 out of 7 correct hexadecimals. These are all the ones I got right. I got pretty good at this at one time. I was very good at CCNA level stuff, but that was like years ago. So I bought this, I don't remember how long ago. I don't remember how long ago I bought this, but this is the one that I bought. I love David Bumble. He's an excellent teacher, and that's the reason I did this. Now, I'm going to start at the beginning, and I'm not going to necessarily do it in the way that I normally do it. I'm going to do it by learning, because if I were to sit here and learn everything in front of y'all, it would take me forever to do this series. And I want to have this certification by October. So shout out to my man, Diego. I hope you get it, bro. I really do. Great dude. And so I really want y'all to come along on this journey with me, because it's not going to be an easy one. And I never really liked anything easy anyway. I do everything the hard way. So that's why we're going to do this. And I believe that we're going to really learn a lot, because I'm literally going to start here. I'm not going to do this because, well, I might. The recommended software is Cisco Packet Tracer, which y'all just saw me do it. And so that's all you have to do is download the deb package and then double click it and it'll install. It's simple as that. I never thought I'd say that about Linux, but it was very easy. So anyway, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you are wanting to get into this, don't be afraid to do this, because it can be if you get your CCNA, that can open some doors, man, because that certification says you know what you're doing. So everybody, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed me blabbering on about this stuff. And I'm going to start learning very soon. I've got one more step before I start this series off the right way. I'm going to try to study. I don't really have a study plan except to start from the beginning. Most of it I already know, but that's okay. It never helps to see it again. So I'm going to move through it pretty quick, and I'll get through the test questions and all that pretty fast. So it's more of me trying to teach every one of you that just because you don't have, because you're an older person like me, I'm not old. I didn't say old. I said older. Just because you're older doesn't mean you can't do it. And that's my advice to every one of you. Is just because you're a little older, don't let people tell you can't do something. Crap with all these people. You can do whatever you want to do, whatever you put your mind to. And everybody, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up in the comments. In the comments, reach out to me if you need something. If you have any questions about my setup, my camera, like any of that stuff, my mic stand that appears to be right in the way of my camera, that's awesome. I hadn't figured out how to get rid of that yet. So I'm working on trying to get all this set up right too, because it's very difficult. And everybody, thank y'all for watching. If you don't know the Lord Jesus Christ, reach out to me in the comments. If you need prayer for something, reach out to me in the comments. Just put it down there. I'll be more than happy to pray for you or your family or anybody else you need me to pray for. And everybody, thank y'all for watching. And until part 3 of Road to CCNA, thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.